Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Node.js on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To uninstall Node.js on Windows 11, first, click on the Start menu located on your taskbar. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel opens, look for the Programs section. Click on Uninstall a program under the Programs category. You will see a list of installed applications on your computer. Scroll through the list and find Node.js. Once you locate Node.js, click on it to highlight. At the top of the list, click the Uninstall button. A confirmation dialog will appear, prompting you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Yes to proceed. The uninstallation process will begin and may take a few moments. Once completed, a message will inform you that Node.js has been successfully uninstalled. To ensure all components are removed, you can check for Node.js folders. Open File Explorer and navigate to the installation directory, usually found under C:\program files\Node.js. If the folder still exists, right-click on it and select Delete. Next, you may want to remove environment variables associated with Node.js. Right-click the Start button and select System. In the System menu, click on Advanced System Settings. In the Environment Variables window, look for any entries related to Node.js or NPM. Select them one by one and click Delete. Finally, click OK to close all open dialog boxes. Node.js should now be completely uninstalled from your Windows 11 system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.